Is the Threads app keep crashing on your iPhone? Hi there, this is Arthur, and here's how you can solve the Threads app crashing on your iPhone or Android. To fix threads that keep crashing issues, try out only this quick process. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Solution 1. Check for updates for the Threads app. Open App Store, tap Search, type Threads. Now look for the app. If there is an update, then update the app, and if there is no update, then follow this. Open Settings, scroll down, tap App, tap Manage App, search for the Threads app, tap on it, select Clear Data, tap Clear All Data, then tap OK. Solution 2. Free up storage. If your Android or iPhone is running out of storage, please ensure that there is enough space. Or you can remove all unwanted apps, games, photos, and videos. Or you can remove the junk file on your Android or iOS device. Solution 3. Reinstall the app. Open Play Store, tap Search, type Threads. Now uninstall the app and reinstall the app again. After following all these processes, your app crashing problem should be solved for Threads. Now if you still have anything to ask, please ask me in the comments section. Thanks for watching.